welcome to another video. If we haven't met yet, my name is Ted and I talk bass. What I do is I make bass videos and tutorials for what I like to call regular folk, you know, who want to play the bass, understand the bass a little bit better. And one of the ways I think we understand the bass a little bit better is by learning actual songs. Let's talk about Sade for a minute. It's classic, right? I love the music and the production of Stu Matthewman and Paul Denman from the group Sweetback, the spin-off group from Sade. This song is kind of cool because and before anybody makes a comment about that ain't how I go, this is how I hear it. You can welcome to transcribe it yourself. You know, whatever. But this is what I'm hearing. This is what I'm interpreting. And I think if I played it on the gig, ain't nobody going to kick me off the stage. So it's all down here in the lower registers of the bass. We're going to go to second fret. B, F sharp, A is really the notes you're playing. But the cool thing is that it's a lot of open string. So how many times did I fret? B, A, F sharp, A, B, and then the open D. Now I'm thinking about it because I don't play open strings that much, so maybe that's a little shed thing for me, right? So you get in this workout, this simple groove, simple, deceptively simple. You're working out your right hand and your left hand as well. That coordination. I really think about like the main groove, like this note starts it off, but like the meat of the groove is that starts on beat 2. 1. One. Let me try that again. I'm not editing this out because I want you to see this. I want to keep this stuff real. You know what I mean? So 2, 3, open A, 1. There's beat 4, right? So we start on beat 1, 1. And then we're looping that around, but now I don't think there's even a change in the song. I think it's that the whole way. If even though everything else starts to bubble and build around it. So I'm breaking into some old habits there that, this would be a cool tune to just put a metronome on and go for it. See how long you can hold that pattern. To me, that's what groove is all about, really. You know what I mean? Is being able to hold it down and lock that pocket down. So super quick video, I know, or quick-ish, but check it out, man, and let me know in the comments how you feel about it, how you do. It's definitely a good workout for coordinating the right and left hand, or left and right hand if you're left-handed. Woo! Yeah. I also noticed too, before I wrap this video up, that working on the evenness of tone in the right hand, right? That would be something that if I were to use this song, this groove as an exercise, right? That would be one of the things that I would look at. You could probably hear the inconsistency of my tone. And to do that, I may change where I play across the body, right? But definitely look at Ah. Ah. And you also notice that I'm not, I don't have a metronome on. So, pick it apart without the metronome, then introduce the metronome, then introduce, really being strict with time and things like that. So, anyway, try that on for size. Like the video if you like it. Thumb it up, thumb it down. Leave me a comment. I always welcome comments. I try to reply to them as fast as I can. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace. 2 fingers.